If you want to discover an easy and simple way to make $20 every 20 minutes starting right now, then this video is for you. What I'm going to share with you is a method that is great because number one, it can be done in as little as 20 minutes a day. If you're someone that's busy, maybe you have a family or a job, maybe two jobs, and you want a method to make money from home that you can do on your work break, before you go to work, when you have some downtime, this method that you're gonna see in a second is absolutely perfect for you. Number two is it doesn't require you to spend any money. If you're looking for a free method, then again, you're gonna wanna pay close attention to this entire video because as you'll see in a second, you can just get started and start to earn money. And it's available in most countries, okay? Most people, no matter where they are in the world, are gonna be able to actually use the exact strategy I share to start to earn money very, very quickly directly into a PayPal. Now, if you're excited to learn this exact method, be sure to smash the like button below. This will let me know to make more videos just like this. So let's go ahead and dive into this exact step-by-step easy method.
But before that, if you want to learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video.
Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is you want to head over to google.com and you want to search into the search bar Userlytics. Okay, I'll have the link in the description below if you just want to go ahead and click that to get taken to the main website. But what you would do is just click tester sign up. Okay, and it's going to take you to this page. Now, what we're actually going to be doing is getting paid to simply test out websites and apps. So chances are if you're watching this video, maybe you are on YouTube right now and you've been going to YouTube, watching different money-making methods. Maybe you've gone to different articles, or maybe you're on a smartphone and you've looked up different apps to make money. Well, then you have the skills to be able to do this method. This is not complicated and you already know how to do what you're gonna get paid to do. Maybe you've seen some sites like this before where you can actually test out different things and make money, but Userlytics is unique for many different reasons you'll see as we follow along in this simple video. Now, how does it work? Well, basically what you have to realize is there's companies out there that are creating new websites, new apps, and they want a user, they want an average person to test out those websites and those apps and give them honest feedback. They want to know how does it work? They want to know what they can improve on to make it better. And that's where we come in. So we're basically going to get different opportunities, different tests that we can do, and just giving our opinion, our unbiased, honest opinion. They will actually pay us anywhere from, as you can see right here, $5 all the way up to $20. And it says you can even make $90 in some cases. Again, just giving your opinion. Okay, so what are the simple steps to get started with this method? Well, number one is you need to register. Registering is very simple. All you do is when you're on this site, you go to this box here and you put your email address, okay? And then you just click these boxes, okay? You have to be at least 16 years old or older. So this method is great too. If maybe you're younger, you're a teenager and you've been looking for a way to make money, you can actually do this if you're 16 or older. And then agree to the terms of use, okay? And then click sign up. Now, once you do, you're gonna get an email, okay, to the email address that you put in that box. What you would do is basically click the link to activate your account, the link that they send you in your email address. Now, once you do that, basically you're gonna get taken to this page. And you wanna finish filling out your information, okay? You wanna put your first name, last name, okay, your country, right? So you can choose, whatever country you're in. Most countries, again, will be able to do this method, which is unique among a lot of these other testing websites. Most of them are only in the UK or the United States. This is actually includes most countries. Your date of birth, okay, put that in. Now your PayPal email address, okay, they will pay you through PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, it's free to create one. You can do it in minutes and you get an email address that you use when you create a PayPal account. Now you want to take that PayPal email and put it in here because that's how they're going to pay you when you finish completing these very easy tests. Gender, okay, you want to do that. And you may be wondering, why are they asking some of these things? They just want to tailor the tests, okay? So they want to understand what type of person you are, and you're going to send it. But what I want to share with you is that there's no qualification. A lot of these testing sites that you see and you come across include a qualification process. You have to answer all these questions. This is it, okay? This is the form, and once you do this, you'll be able to accept and implement different tests to make money. It's very, very simple. Password, okay, you want to create a password. This is how you're going to log into your account in the future and find different tests you can do. And then repeat the password, okay? They want to make sure that you know the password that you've created, and then hit submit. Now, once you do that, you're going to be taken to a page that looks something like this, okay? This is your back office. This is where each day you can go in there and find different tests to actually apply for and different tests to actually complete. Okay, now it says right here that currently there are no active test invitations because I haven't actually filled out my form yet. Okay, right here. I have not filled this out, but once I do, basically they will start sharing tests. Okay, and you'll see test invitations. And again, you can just go through, select whatever type of test you want. Okay, now I want to share with you what are some examples of the tests you have to do, and then what does a test look like? Because you may be wondering, what does it actually look like when you're doing the test? What type of things will I be tested on? It's very, very simple. So what do they consist on? Well, here's some examples, okay, of previous tests people have done and what they were asked to do. So for example, number one was, register for an account on a site, log in, fill in your profile, and then add a friend. Okay, so chances are you probably know a friend that you can add to a site and you know how to log in. Okay, very simple. You've probably logged into other sites before, and that was it. Okay, and they probably paid, anywhere from $5 all the way up to $40 or more just to do that. Okay, very simple. This one right here, pretend you're looking for a pair of jeans, okay, on a website, search for jeans, look through the results, and proceed to check out, but stop before the order is confirmed. So again, you're never gonna have to actually pay. And they even warn you that if any of these tests ever ask you for personal information, you don't wanna complete the test, okay? They try to weed out all of that, but you never put in your real information, and it's very, very simple, okay? A few more. You can look around an ABC site. So this is just an example. Look around a certain site, and wherever your interests take you, click around, and then give your feedback on your overall opinion on the site. Did you like it? Was it complicated? Okay. One more, conduct a search for an item or a site. Okay. So there's many different things. So if you're someone too that looks for variety, right? You get tired of doing the same thing over and over. You want a method that's unique and different. This is going to be for you, because basically each test is going to be slightly different. It's a different site. Now, you may be wondering, can you do this on a laptop? Can you do this on a mobile phone? Both. Okay, so if I go to here, what kind of software and hardware do I need? Basically, you can do desktop tests, okay, with a Mac or PC, and you can do mobile tests. Now, some of these tests require a microphone, okay, but if you have a smartphone, chances are you have a microphone, and you will need to give verbal feedback. Oh, I didn't like this because of this. I didn't like this because of that, okay? Very, very simple. You could download the recorder on a PC here or a Mac, or you could get it on the App Store here, okay? Very, very simple. Now, I want to share with you an example of what the test would look like. So this is an example on a computer, on a laptop or, computer. Now, you can see right here that this person is on, I believe, Airbnb, okay, which is a website to actually book, a place to stay. And you can see right here, this little box, okay, at the top right, this is the Userlytics program, okay? Basically, it's popped up and it's giving this guy prompts, okay? So it will basically tell you, type in this in the box, search here, what do you feel about this, okay? And you just go through. So if I play this, you're gonna be able to see that, he's just going through, he's following the prompts at the top, and it changes, okay? So now right there, it's basically giving him different options to select. I believe the question says, consider the following. What would you use Airbnb for? Okay, and then it gives you different answers, and you would just select one. And at the end of the test, you would basically submit your test, and they would go ahead and process that and send the money to a PayPal. Okay, so it's very, very simple. Again, you just register, you interact with the web or mobile app, and then you get paid via PayPal, anywhere from $5 up to $90 into your PayPal, okay? So if you would like this method, my friend, because it's very, very simple to do, be sure to click the like button and also subscribe so you never miss out on my weekly videos where I share more step-by-step money-making methods, just like the one you just saw. Also, be sure to comment below. Let me know if you've tried this. You know, if you do try this and come back, what were your results? I'd love to actually take a look and read that. And last but not least, my friend, if you're looking for a method that's more automated, because this method is great, but it does take you to put a little bit of effort in, and you know, you only earn up to $90 per test. If you're looking for a way to make as much as $2,000 per day, okay, yes, you heard me right, per day, there's gonna be a free training at the first link in the description. When you click that, you'll get taken to my website where you can find out more information on my #1 recommended way that I'm personally averaging about $2,000 a day, doing less work, and it's completely automated once you follow the steps on that video. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.